There you are, puppy dog. What did you do with your ball? Hey? What did you do with your ball? Hey, puppy. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode. This is a series on me building my dad's 54 Chev truck. Well, we'll see how far we get. The poor guy's in hospital at the moment recovering, which is good news. So I'm busy with the gearbox, cleaning it. It had a quick little clean. All of the grease and stuff is mostly off. I've cleaned out all of the screw or the bolt holes and that sort of stuff. To maybe clean it with some thinners or something, and then give it a nice paint job. Excellent. Enjoy it. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a little bit of work on this gearbox. We had my dad's helper give it a first sort of clean. It's very full of rust and things, so I'm going to use the drill, clean it up a bit, and then paint some of the anti-rust on it, and then give it a coat of black paint, and I think that should be sufficient for our purposes. Excellent. Manual gearbox out. Check this thing, it's looking better already. Look at the two marks. Dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Those dots mean that I can take these levers off and I can clean in there and then put them back in the same exact position. This gearbox has dried overnight. So now I can see where all the oily bits are to clean those. I can still, that still looks dirty there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, man, damn it. Okay, clean all of those bits and then I'm going to prime it. Paint it. It'll look nice. I promise. So I've scratched this whole thing, as you can see. And then I'm going to wire brush through the scratches and I think we'll be done then. There we go, strung up like a pig. Let's wash this thing down and get it painted. Woo woo! Washed. Look at that. That looks great. Yes, man. I decided that I'm going to paint the gearbox golden brown, and because the black, if you see it now, is you can't really see the thing. The black sort of hides all my work. So I'm going to paint it brown and whatever. Red. Ooh la la. That is nice and painted. Wonderful. Hopefully I can stick that thing straight on the bell housing. I think. Let's go and have a look at the bell housing. Bring it down to the Jackson garage. So I've just grabbed the bell housing out of the shed, and you can already see where those two bolts bolt in there that are on the gearbox at the moment, and they're the other two bolts. So then there's a cover underneath it. This is quite a funny looking thing, but it essentially looks like it's been sandblasted and primed, so it just needs a bit of a paint. Well, clean in a paint. Great. It's nice working with the clean things for a change. Thanks for joining me for this episode, guys. So basically what I achieved is cleaning and painting the gearbox, getting it ready to fit to the bell housing and the block. And the bell housing is behind me, over there. I think it just basically needs to be dusted off, painted, and wow, the gearbox over there is drying. So this is the end of this episode, rebuilding my dad's 54 Chev truck. Like, subscribe, share, etc. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.